Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm not Josh.
And I'm not Babe.
But we're here to help them out while Josh is going through his problems. And so, we're going to do a little video and hope y'all like it. It's real simple. It goes great on a winter night, Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, a cold winter night. It's just going to be oyster stew. And this is all your stuff you need for it. Now you have to have oyster crackers. You can't use any other kind of cracker. You need some fresh oysters, or you can use canned oysters. You're going to need a stick of butter. This is a pint of fresh oysters. You're going to need some milk or cream or a combination of both. I've got about 1/4 of a carton of half and half I need to get rid of, so I'm going to put that in there with some milk. You're going to need a little salt and a whole lot of fresh cracked jack. So let me get my fire turned on, get my butter melted, and we'll show you what we do next. Okay, you can see the butter is melted and it's all bubbly, and this is about a medium heat. So at this point, I'm just going to jump the oysters and all this liquid in here. Some good looking oysters. Then we're going to need some salt. Just about a spoonful. And then as much black pepper as you can handle. And I think the pepper is what makes this dish, to me. Give us a good mix. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to let this sit here and cook until you see the edges of the oyster. When the edges start curling up, then you know your oysters are ready to go. So this usually takes, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. Depends on how hot you got your stove and everything. So we're going to let this go until they start curling up, then I'll show you what we do next. Okay, you see how these have all curled up here, like this? So at this point, you can add your milk or cream. I'm going to go in with the half and half first. And there's really no ratio to this, it's just however much you want to make. And since I like it, I'm going to make me a lot. That'll probably be enough. Now we're going to hit it with some more pepper. And you see, this is a real simple recipe. Quick, easy to make. Now at this point, all you want to do is get it hot, bring it up to a simmer. You don't want to boil the milk, you just want to get it hot. So, when this gets hot, we'll come back and show you what it looks like, which is going to be just about like this. So, be back in a few. Okay, you can see we're starting to come to a simmer here. So at this point, I'm going to let this go 1 more minute. It's been on about 8 minutes now. I'm going to let it go 1 more minute, stirring it. Then I'm going to turn it off and dish up a bowl. And when it cools off enough to eat, we'll come back and show you what it looks like. So, there you go. I can turn this off now. I got cast iron, so it's going to maintain the heat. So, we'll let this go a minute and we'll be back. Okay, my soup's done. This is something that every year around the holidays I love for my mother to make. I just love this stuff. And before I do anything, I want to say this is part of a, for lack of a better word, a collaboration with a bunch of other YouTube cooks. Hashtag the Cooking Cop and Babe channel takeover. There's a bunch of us helping Josh and Babe. Josh is going through his issues, and so this was my rendition. So now we put some oyster crackers in there, as many as you want. I like crackers in the soup.
Obviously on the cabinet and floor
yeah,
too.
and you really have to use oyster crackers for this. You can't use just regular saltines.
It does lose something with regular saltines.
Yeah, it does. And I may need to come back and add some more pepper to here. We'll see. So give me an oyster, a couple of crackers, and a little bit of cream, milk. Love me some oysters.
Love you some pepper too.
Yeah, pepper makes this dish. Oh, that's a great oyster. So there you have it. Josh, get well soon, buddy. Babe, we love you guys. And can't wait till you get back and do your own shenanigans. So, I hope this gives you 5 or 6 more views on your channel. We'll see. Y'all have a good one. Go check out Josh and Babe. Look at their stuff. Catch you next time.